A lot of you have asked me a ton of questions about RVing, and I wanted to answer them and go through them. Let me explain this because I know you're going to want to know this, and I'm going to say this a lot. I mentioned boondocking earlier. Right now, we're actually boondocking because, I mean, you can hear the cars outside. Boondocking can also be called dry camping. People will say free camping or camping without hookups. There's a lot of names for it. The reason people say boondocking is because you're like really living in the boondocks, meaning that you bring all of your own resources. So your water, electricity, propane. So if you're going to be cooking, cleaning, sleeping, eating, whatever you're going to be doing, you have to have water to do it, or electricity, or some resources to be able to power what you're doing, unless you're just going to be sitting out in a field, which wouldn't be RVing, it would be probably camping. Boondocking, you're not hooking up. In an RV, you can actually hook up to a power source. So it might be a house, it might be an RV park, you could have a generator, or you might have water that you need. So you might hook up to a hose pipe and get your water. Now you can also have water on board, which is your fresh water. You can have your water here in the RV, which means that you're carrying it with you. You have it so you can take a bath or wash your hands, eat, whatever you're trying to do on board. You want those resources, whether it be electricity, water, or propane. So like cooking on my stove, I have to have propane, which is gas. And then I also have to have gas and diesel to drive. So for the front, let's see if we can show you that. That's the front. So we're actually like popped in right now. Boondocking, I mean, that's pretty much it. You either boondock and you bring all your resources with you, or you hook up to power, water, electricity, something to power everything that's in here and cook and do what you need to do. Other than the propane, you would have your propane on here, but you can have like propane extenders and stuff like that. If that makes sense, hopefully it does. If so, hit the like button and let me know. Or if you have questions about that, please let me know by putting a comment below, because I really love answering these questions. I just don't know what questions you have because it's not new to me anymore. So when I say it and people are like, oh my god, what is she talking about? I don't know that you don't know, so you have to tell me.